Hey guys, welcome to our channel, RV44. We're here down in Ocala, in General RV, with our friend Matt from Matt's RV Reviews.
Howdy!
And we are here shopping for fifth wheel. And please guys, let us know which one you think is the best for us.
Yep. What's super exciting is I picked out a few fifth wheels for them all, for them that they're seriously considering buying. So we need your help letting them know. Check out all their videos. Let them know the ones that you like for them and the ones you don't like. And what we're looking at today is a 2020 Keystone Avalanche model 396BH. And you guys don't even know what this one looks like on the inside, do you?
We don't even know. First time.
Cool.
First time. So let's just show the outside.
Yep.
If you don't mind, Matt.
Yeah, I'll show you guys
I'll
the
take
outside
over.
real quick. This is a higher end fifth wheel from Keystone. You have a nice painted fiberglass front cap right here. Down here. Thank you. You got a little bit of storage right there. This one's not prepped for a generator, but I think that's a-okay.
Okay, yep.
And then what's really exciting about this one, down here, you have a little bit of storage.
Oh my God.
That's awesome.
But what I love about this one's the outside kitchen.
Oh yeah.
It's an awesome outside kitchen
Oh,
area.
yeah.
You have
Beautiful.
6-point hydraulic leveling. Nice fridge right there.
Look at that.
TV on the outside.
Is it true those refrigerator or fridge, they don't work when you on the
No, they only work when you're plugged into
when
power.
you plugged in?
And
Okay.
it's funny
Yep.
because it's cold.
Yep. Oh, is it cold?
It is.
Oh, that's funny. And then right here, this model gives you 2 full bathrooms. So you got the bathroom door right there.
Okay, perfect.
Why don't you guys, let's go in and show them the inside.
Oh, yeah.
RV for 4. RV for 4. Actually, hang on. I want to see your reaction when you first walk in. Oh, wow. Okay, you guys ready?
All right. So this is for, woo! Oh, man.
That's nice, huh?
Oh, man. Wow, look at the space.
No way.
Yep, let me do a 360. This is
Amazing.
awesome.
Amazing.
What?
God. Oh my God. Where you at start? I mean,
Start wherever.
beautiful range. What do you think?
Yeah, I like that.
The space is amazing. I love what they do with this. Is they have an extra drawer for
Yep.
pads and pans, right?
Mm-hmm.
They make it look just like the whole
I like, finally, I can read.
nice and low. You see what
Yes.
I'm saying? It's not a hard.
It's
Come on.
hashtag short people
Look at
friendly.
that. Look at that. Honestly, the first two we saw, it was just too high. And for her, I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Simplicity, you know, that's what I always say.
And I love the feeling of the material.
You guys think?
Yeah.
Wow.
What do you guys think?
Solid. It's a big sink. You know, I don't really like the split, but it's deep. Sorry, I like that it's deep.
Yep.
Oh, you don't like the split like that?
I don't like it, but this one is deep enough where it makes sense. Like here, you can put your wash your veggies and whatnot.
You
But
want to check the space on the refrigerator, guys? Look at that.
yep.
Look at that. It's a
Wow.
twin cooler. In there.
Wow.
It's a twin cooler.
Very nice.
No way.
Yep.
Whoa! Look at that. That's awesome. That's pretty cool.
But it's a nice and secure in there.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's a question we had. Remember we saw,
Yeah.
we're watching it, I don't remember what channel it was. And then we're going down the road and you see the whole refrigerator moving out like that.
Kind of move.
Yep.
But I think they put it afterward. That's what I think aftermarket. How's the pantry space?
It's nice. Look at that.
Now, why don't you tell everybody some key features that are really important to you guys?
So for me, I mean,
If it's anybody's first time seeing
Yeah.
who you guys are.
so I'm looking actually, for somewhere where we can feel comfortable as a family. The space. We tend to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. We like to cook, and this is what we do. We like to cook. We like to be together. So the fact that it has this is great because it has this option, and then we have this. So
This is really growing in me though. Because
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you can get here, get your breakfast, your food, and then you can work from home. You can also lounge, just go back and look up and just look at the space over here. Like you gave the kids the space, we got our own space, and we can watch TV.
Yep. And then there's a recliner in there.
Yep.
If you Oh, very
Oh, no,
nice.
you lost me here. From a long day from work.
Yeah.
Oh no, you lost us here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the one that started movie but never finished it. Because I'm always like,
I mean, the TV is right in front of you, so it's great, and it's at a great distance too.
Yep.
Nice.
so again, look at this. This is like the plasma of the fireplace right here. Look at this.
There's some
Look at
carpet.
that. That's beautiful.
And you said that having a fireplace was really important to you because you always wanted one,
I
right?
always wanted one. Never had the chance to buy it because we down here in Florida. And the place that I wanted to put it, honestly, we don't even hang it that space.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this will be amazing. I mean, it's right there. It's one of my must-have too. I have a TV.
Nice.
Look at the space over here. Look at that.
All right. So one of the things that is very important for us is the bunkhouse.
Okay.
Before we even look at a fifth wheel, you know, and it's who we are as parents, we want to make sure that the kids are okay. So if the bunkhouse serves the purpose, then everything else is fine.
Well, what's interesting about this model is it has a kind of funky bunkhouse, so it might not work for you guys, but it might.
Okay.
Okay. You want to take it over, guys?
Take it away.
Take it away.
See what's going on here? It's a sofa pull-out,
Oh,
but then it's also a higher up bed.
yeah.
What do you think?
It's not your traditional bunk room.
You're right, it's not, but it can work. Because we can do like a dining kind of thing over here for them, right?
Mm-hmm.
We turn into a bed and then you have the space up there. I love it.
You wanna go up?
Give your honest opinion, guys. You think it might work or not?
It's interesting. Yeah.
It is
Really?
interesting, right?
Nice.
It's interesting.
See, that's so fun that they don't like it. I mean,
Yeah.
believe it or not, it's fun because not every fifth wheel works for everybody.
Right. For me, I think if they had lowered it a little bit,
Yep.
I don't care so much about the TV, especially because kids nowadays, they're in their tablets.
Yep.
They don't really need the TV. But if they lowered it a little bit, I think it would have been, you know.
I mean,
much
yeah,
better.
it's pretty high up there. I mean,
At
how
least-
tall are you, Joaquin?
Right. At least
I'm
it's-
5'11".
Yep. So,
You know, at least this side, because I understand I'm seeing maybe a bathroom over there, but definitely on this side lower.
Yeah,
right
it's
there.
just, they could have made it a little lower. But
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to move to the bathroom. Which you have a door in the back, which I'm a fan of too. Because
yeah, in case you have to air it out.
Oh,
yeah.
wow, look at this. That's a nice.
That's very
Nice
nice
space
pictures,
up
yeah.
here.
Very, very nice. Very nice. A lot of space. Both of them can fit on. I don't think we're going to try the photos in this bathroom. Yeah, not with this heat, but it's worked pretty good though for them.
This is nice.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
I know this
It's a
is.
lot of space.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I love the bathroom of this bunkhouse. I love it. So. Aw, that's a bummer.
No, it is. It is. Well, guys, again, this was RV for 4. Looking at another fifth wheel for you guys.
Oh, no, we got to show the upstairs.
Actually, we got to go to the upstairs.
I love live
I was going to cut it
videos.
short. I was going to cut it short.
He was all like, yeah, I'm done with this. No.
It's like whatever.
No, this was great.
Yeah.
Huh? So shiny.
So this feels a lot like the one we just did, the open range.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, to me, I mean, coming in and with the door over here.
We're gonna have to
But
put like
it
a
is
little
really tight.
traffic lights over here so we can take turns because
Yeah.
this and we are very busy in the morning because you got the kids getting ready. I'm getting ready. I mean, usually get up earlier,
Wanna
but
try?
mom and them and
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Oh, yeah.
That's
and
nice.
the jumping jacks. Okay.
I
This
don't
is good.
I don't like this.
What do you mean the corner?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna come up with stickers too. We actually have merch and
Oh, crap.
Teesprings. We
Nice.
got merch already. We're coming up with a sticker, so you order the sticker there. So
I will order one.
keep supporting, guys. Okay.
This is another king bed.
Yes.
Nice. You don't have to make the bed.
So it just looks more professional. It's a king bed right here, right?
Uh-huh.
You got windows both sides. Now, see if you can open that window right there. Amazing.
Wow, look at that headboard.
No way.
Wow. That's nice. The headboard, look.
Now, let me ask you a question, Matt.
Yeah.
We would like those bed that kind of come
Right
up.
I don't know of any that do that in a fifth wheel.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's more of a motorhome thing.
Oh, okay. It's more, okay.
let's see.
But I'm saying we can do it probably here. We can work something out. No, you don't think so?
I think it might be hard.
It might, yeah.
To be honest with you.
Okay.
But yep.
Pretty much just a semi-walking club. Let me see. I don't know if there's a lot of people on the
There's
shop.
cubbies on the side.
Yep.
For each, you know, for you and for me. Yeah. So that's great.
See, Gabby?
There's a lot of space. Great.
Cool.
It's a very nice fifth wheel. Very,
Yeah.
very nice. Do you know the length of this one, Matt?
It's a 396, and I think it's 40 feet 4 inches. I'd have to check the exact specs.
That's great. I didn't even notice the light fixtures up there. Wow.
It's those light fixtures are very Art Deco.
So guys, there you have it. This is the
Keystone Avalanche 396BH.
yes, and guys, again, thank you for the support. We just want you guys to come with us to this journey, buy the perfect RV for us. Remember, don't forget your thumbs up, and help you decide. Help us decide, because it's a very tough decision. It's a beautiful one, and very hard to decide.
Yes, and let them know 4 things you like about this fifth wheel and 4 things you don't like. As you guys saw in this live video, from here back, it's like, oh snap, this might be the perfect fifth wheel.
That's right.
But then when we went to that door, you know, it's give and take, and that's what's so fun about, you know, so many RV channels. They start recording once they have an RV. You guys are doing it in the beginning.
Yes.
This is the journey of finding the right RV, and I'm honored to be a part of it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Love that you're part of us.
Stay safe, guys. Love you all.
See you next video.
See you next video.